from welcoming to, every aspect of this program is taken care of very, very nicely. All sessions are very, very good. For me, my personal favorite would really be the one where, we had the lessons of the CFO, especially the Newton principle, which I got to learn. That is something which I will take it back, and I've thought of putting it in front of my desk because that's the mantra. So really very, very well done. I think everyone has put in amazing effort, has well thought through how the program should be, what is relevant. There is some level of practicality involved. It's not just we are taking some theory, knowledge. You should be able to implement it. That's what I think this program is also giving.
To become a CFO or what the role we are playing as of now. So definitely there are key things as of now we are missing. One of the things is like how we are going to engage our team. Second is like how we are going to interact with our audit committee, our stakeholders, our investors. So the way the sessions was happened, so these things given input to interact with them.
So the main takeaway is to go beyond the functional competency, improve soft skills, develop relationships and networking.
A couple of things. One needs to think about how to continue to broaden one's horizon for future roles, and at the same time also look at personal development, areas where one needs to focus and develop their capabilities.
There are many speakers over here who have come and express what is intake for a CFO role. One thing or two things which I could pick up is that the discussion by Mr. P.R. Ramesh on getting the audit committee chair and what is expecting out of a CFO, what trust we need to develop with the board, internal stakeholders and the external stakeholders, apart from your hardcore knowledge.
First thing is from the industry leaders talking about their experiences of being the CFO, and the second one being more into cost optimization and the AIs and the clouds of the world. How do we really manage? And
what we have learned here is like, you don't need to be a perfect communicator. You don't need to speak everything well in English. Point of giving a right articulation, the point of having a good storytelling, it matters most. So whether it's your stakeholders, whether it's your peers, whether it's your bosses, whether it's a board, having them correctly articulated the facts, the matter, the issues, and putting up a right strategy, right solution at right point of time is something which is required by every person, and this is what everybody seeks from a CF. While working towards this kind of solution, you need to create value for our stakeholders, and that is what I've learned in our 2 days workshop, and this is what something I would like to apply in my workplace.
So what we like most in this is the networking which is happening. It is very essential in these days. You get outside in perspective. So this is one of the things. It's a platform to get yourself introduced with various outside people and get knowledge from those people. That is one of the things which I liked. It's a common platform which gives you all those things.